So we just start from here. Look the stream. Look at this. It's beautiful. Hello, hello. You have a good holiday. Welcome to Bana Hills cable car station in Da Nang. Bana Hills is one of the most impressive places in this blue planet. Honestly, today it was fantastic. Just I came down from top of the hill. It was so nice, it was interesting, and I came here at 12 o'clock in midday. Now it's almost 5:30. So we went from here, we went to the station, and from station we got the cable car, go to the second station, and from second station we went to Golden Bridge, and from Golden Bridge there is third station, cable car station. We went to the highest point of the mountain. It was fantastic, and there are 94 cabins. Each cabin can take 10 people in the same time, and then it's closed 6 o'clock in the afternoon. This is the main entrance of the cable car station. First get the cable car station, then go to Golden Bridge, and from Golden Bridge you can get another cable car to the third station. This is the highest point. Honestly, it wasn't my plan to come to this place or Da Nang city, but I changed my plan. I had a couple of extra days, so I decided to come here. I knew here is good, but I didn't know it was that much good. I'm going to buy a ticket for the Bana Hill. We buy ticket from here, one person at the time to get ticket.
Yeah, your ticket.
Okay, she go that side.
Yeah, go straight.
I'll see you in there. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So now I'm going to buy a ticket.
Yeah, to buy ticket.
How much is it?
950, 1 person ticket.
Okay, so that including the Golden Bridge, cable car.
Cable car, pagoda, tour, overflow, and you on everything.
Okay, fantastic. Okay.
No lunch.
Okay.
And 150 cable car on the buffet. No buffet.
No buffet.
950.
950. Yeah. So I'll give you 1 million.
Okay. I change the 50.
Yes, please.
50,000.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah.
One ticket.
That's one ticket. Yeah. So it's done.
I'll say over there to left.
Okay, see you. So I bought ticket from Bana Hill. So now I have to go to queue. So queue is somewhere around here. So now I'm walking to cable car. This is the way to go to get cable car. And amazing place. This is inside the place before get the cable car. And this is Bana Hill, say call it station, cable car station. Beautiful building, it's so nice. So from here we're going to get cable car. Smell popcorn. This is look amazing, looks so nice, beautiful. This is about the fish in the pond. This is the way going to, still we have to walk to get to cable car.
Beer.
Beer? No. Maybe later. So this ticket, can I use up? Can I use up?
Up, yeah.
So go this way, yeah?
Cable car this way.
All right, okay. So this is queue. Hoi An Station. This is called the Hoi An Station. Go cable car. It's quite long queue. Amazing place, it's so nice. You have to show ticket here. After here, you have to go up again. Here, cable car, yeah?
Where are you from?
London.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Beautiful place, look. Everything is upside down. Flowers, boat on the ceiling. It looks amazing. So nice. It's the beginning of the... Oh, next, sorry.
How many?
Just one, please. Go.
One. Okay,
All right.
Bueno, yo para grabar, tú estás bien ahí.
This is the beginning of the cable car. Bana Hill cable car is one of the impressive cable car in this blue planet, and 95 cabins, and
¿Han solo?
around
Me gusta que lo pusimos.
5,770 meters high. It looks amazing.
अपन यहाँ से पहले से वो साइड जा सकते थे ना पानी के साइड
Toma.
कैसे जाते हैं
View. Are you from Spain?
No, Mexico.
Mexico, okay. You? London. London, yeah.
हाँ जगह की तो एस्थेटिक्स वाली
Look at this view. This looks amazing. So we just start from here. Look the stream.
उधर देखते भी आइए फ्लिप कर लो तुम फिर हम भी आ जाएंगे सब इधर ही नीचे कुछ नहीं होगा खुल नहीं जाने वाले को बड़ा डर ले
Very nice. Mexico.
मेरा बेबी बम
Look at from here.
जा शायद उधर मैं खींच
So how many lines? They say there's 6 lines in here. I can see 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 sides and 3 lines here, 3 on that side. So total you got the 6 lines. It's amazing place.
Yes. Just look at it. एक तेरी बहुत सबसे इनिशियल वाली तेरी बहुत अच्छी थी.
वो ये एस्थेटिक भी चश्मा उतारते हैं बहुत अच्छी थी.
ये वाली बहुत प्यारी है.
परफेक्ट.
और तेरे जूते छूते लेने हैं क्या?
जूते तो नहीं.
ले ले. एंगल बहुत बढ़िया है.
How long do you stay here? In Vietnam?
Vietnam only 1 week and a half.
1 week.
Yes, it
10
was a
days.
short. Yes, it was a short trip. Just focus in Vietnam. June?
I stay 40 days.
40.
Yeah,
All
but-
Vietnam.
Only Vietnam. Yeah.
40
Yeah.
days?
40 days, yeah.
Wow.
I start from Ho Chi Minh City
What you mean?
And
and
you
go to Sapa.
We are coming
We
down
are
from the
you're coming
north to the
opposite.
south.
Right, okay.
Start at north and going
Okay,
down.
start from south to north.
But we stop in
Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An,
But
okay.
we have no time
Hoi
to
An.
Then
go.
we'll go back to how long because we started in how long, but it was a little bit rainy.
This for YouTube.
हाथ रख ले सर
Is it okay?
ऐसे कुछ
YouTube?
करते हैं,
Yeah, for YouTube.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a channel or?
I'll show you. Ross in nature. This one.
Okay.
मुझे लगा था वो ले रही है तेरे
इस angle से
I'll see you later.
Ah,
I watch
fantastic.
your.
Fantastic.
हम सबने
Yeah.
यहाँ से खिंचा ली
Because I have too many videos
Light
from
इधर है ना?
हाँ लाइट
south.
Ah, yes, of course. There.
बॉटल हटाइए बॉटल
Look at this view. It's amazing.
रुक जा पिलर है
Están haciendo edificios allá arriba.
यस
अक्षिता अब मैं
Yeah, I
एकदम-
think we go
मैं
that
एकदम
side.
पीछे बैठ रही
We
हूँ।
go
हाँ,
up there.
ठीक है
We go.
Look, it's like
Yeah.
a apartment, so that's like a city.
Yeah, I think that one. After that, we can go to the Golden Bridge.
Uh-huh.
There is a Golden Bridge. The bridge holded by hands.
सही है सही है
Up or it's like for different
Like a
purposes.
No, it's different.
Yes.
I'm not sure how many go up, how many go down. But as you can see here, two lines. One go up, one go
कौन
down.
से लेनी है देख रही हो
And this is, I think they don't use that one. It's almost stopped. The other side.
खड़े हो
Maybe when they get so busy, they use both
They
lines.
open the six ones.
Yeah, but now only this.
लाइए मेरे को हाथ
Yeah, because nowadays it's low season.
It's low season, it is, yeah.
खुलेगा तो सारी
Look at
लाइट
the
बैक
rocks.
से
It's amazing.
ऐसे मत बोल मैं सोच में पड़ गई थोड़ा सा
It's beautiful rocks, isn't it? It's amazing rocks. Look at this. It's beautiful.
देखना उधर है मैडम और टर्न हो जा ना पूरे से टर्न होके बैठ जा
परफेक्ट है परफेक्ट मेरा फोन देख रुक इसे मार दे रही है
Como la línea de choque que pega a Santa Fe, en distancia, más o menos.
रुको भाई तुम्हारे पास दिव्या रहना है वो कार्टून है एक रुको नहीं
रुक जा पिलर से
वो भी हंस रहे हैं यार थोड़ी शर्म से आ रही है
इसी साइड रहे इसी साइड रहे
It's so high. So length of cable car 5,770 meter. But I'm not sure about the height. But as I can see, it's so high.
Mira, un Alex y un Leo.
मतलब ऐसे बात
Is that okay? Show your face in YouTube?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
have to
yeah,
use
yeah,
this?
fine.
No problem, yeah?
What is the YouTube channel?
Ross in nature.
So lost in nature
Ross in
Ross
nature.
in nature.
oh we'll also follow the channel
Ah, thank you.
Ross in nature, right?
Yeah. So this is
लग रहा है
the
अब लग रहा है कुछ ठंडा मौसम
Golden Bridge, held by hand. Look at this view. It's
काफी
fantastic.
ठंडा हो गया है
It's so nice.
अच्छा पहले मेरे को लगा था इसमें एसी क्यों है फिर मेरे को
So-
लगा एसी नहीं है नेचुरल हवा है
We are going
खुला नहीं
to
ऊपर से
बच्चों जरा
this bridge.
बैग देना
ये वाली केबल राइड का सीनरी और
Jacket.
वो वाली केबल राइड का
Jacket
सीनरी
लेके
एकदम एकदम ऑपोजिट वेस्ट वाली चीज है
बच्चे ठंड हो गई है
ये अपना ही है ना पता चला अंकल का बैग उठा लिया तो मतलब मेरी ना पानी वाली केबल राइड हो गई बर्फ वाली केबल राइड हो गई माउंटेन वाली हो गई बर्फ कश्मीर
Nice.
$10 राइड गुलमर्ग
So we get out of cabin here
सेकंड बेस की कैंसिल हो गई
and walk
हमारे टाइम में
to
स्नोफॉल था
Golden Bridge.
तो कैंसिल हो गया फर्स्ट बेस तक ही हो पाया यार मेरा भी फर्स्ट बेस ही हो पाया बट तू आई थिंक पीक विंडोज में गई तो ये बाद
Mind the gap.
Mind the gap.
Okay. You have a good holiday. Enjoy your holiday.
Good luck.
Thank you. Ladies, you have a good holiday, yeah?
हां सेम टू यू
Alright. Just we get out of the cabins. Now walking to Golden Bridge. Look at the system. It's amazing. Hello, hello. You have a good holiday. Look, the engineering they use. Amazing. Look at view from here. Yeah, this is go up to Golden Bridge. It looks like the construction going on that side. Now we are going down to first cable car station And this is the Da Nang city, 40 kilometers far from here. Look at the size of cable. It's amazing. Is that okay, your face? Can I show your face? Yeah? For YouTube. Yeah? For YouTube, yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Just I get out of the cabins now. I'm going to get out of station. I arrived here about 12 o'clock. Now it's 5 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. So it's almost half a day. I spent half a day here. It was amazing. It's so nice and fantastic. So it's beautiful. This is toilet. If you need toilet, so you can use this way. That's woman toilet. It's a beautiful place. Today I had fantastic day. It was so nice. It's great. It's so high. I don't know how to explain to this place, honestly. How to explain this place. Right. This is way go out. It's quite big hole. Let me see. Yeah, you can put space here, man. Nice one. Look how it's beautiful this place is. It's like the red wine, whiskey. Hello, hello. Look the fish. Look the size of fish. Going out from here, look at the place. Hello. Fantastic place, so nice. Came from that way. Look at this. This is main entrance to Bana Hill cable station, and then after that you can get to Golden Bridge.